Welcome to my channel. If you're new, be sure to check out our previous video on the essential components of digital marketing. In today's video, we'll explore SEO for beginners and reveal the secrets to achieving the #1 ranking on Google. Let's get started. Imagine a bustling city center filled with shops and businesses. Your website is one of those businesses eager to attract customers. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, steps in as your beacon. Let's dive into understanding organic search. Organic search refers to the unpaid listings that appear on search engine results pages, SERPs, due to their relevance to the search terms. Unlike paid ads, organic search results are determined by algorithms that evaluate various factors, such as content quality, keyword relevance, and user engagement. Organic search is crucial because it drives sustainable and cost-effective traffic to your website. It's like building a well-maintained road that leads directly to your business. By optimizing for organic search, you can improve your site's visibility, build credibility, and attract a more engaged audience, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates and long-term success. Before diving into SEO, let's unravel the mystery behind search engines. Think of search engines like Google as efficient librarians. They crawl the internet, indexing billions of web pages. When a user types a query, these digital librarians deliver the most accurate results. They analyze factors like keywords, content quality, and backlinks. The more effectively you communicate your website's value, the higher it will climb the search results. Let's focus on the battleground where your website fights for visibility, the search engine results pages, or SERPs. The higher your website ranks on the SERP, the more likely users are to click through. Think of the SERP as a crowded marketplace, with each website vying for attention. The SERP is dynamic, influenced by factors like location, search history, and device. This means the order of websites can vary significantly. To conquer the SERP, understand its components like featured snippets and local packs. These elements provide users with relevant information directly on the search results page. Search engines like Google are on a constant quest to deliver the most relevant and valuable information to their users. Think of the algorithm as a constantly evolving recipe, with Google tweaking the ingredients and proportions to create the perfect search experience. Staying ahead of the SEO game requires adaptability, continuous learning, and a willingness to embrace change. Keywords are the compass guiding users to the treasure trove of information they seek online. They connect your target audience with your website. Imagine you're at a market craving fresh strawberries. You'd ask specifically for them, right? That's what keywords do. Effective keyword research aligns your content with search intent, boosting your site's ranking. Uncover golden keywords with high search volume and low competition. Targeting specific long-tail keywords attracts a more targeted audience, increasing conversion chances. Understanding keyword research goes beyond merely identifying popular search terms. Are they looking for information, a specific product, a local service, or perhaps entertainment? Unraveling search intent allows you to tailor your website content to provide the most relevant and valuable information. A user searching for eco-friendly hotels in Thailand clearly expresses an intent to book accommodation that aligns with their values. On the other hand, someone searching for impact of tourism on coral reefs in Thailand seeks information. To effectively target your audience, you need to categorize keywords based on their search intent. Embarking on keyword research can feel like navigating a vast, uncharted territory. Fortunately, powerful tools guide you through this exploration, uncovering hidden keyword gems and insights into search behavior. Google Keyword Planner provides data on search volume, competition, and related keywords. SEMrush offers keyword research, competitor analysis, and site audits. Ahrefs, Moz, and Ubersuggest offer insights into keyword difficulty and search volume. Combine tool insights with your knowledge to craft a winning keyword strategy. Creating compelling content is like building a beautiful house. High-quality, relevant content caters to both users and search engines. Search engines prioritize content that provides value and engages readers. Think of your website content as a conversation with your target audience. Use clear language, logical structure, and engaging visuals. Focus on high-quality content to satisfy readers and signal search engines. Imagine scrolling through a social media feed filled with captivating headlines. Which posts are you most likely to click on? Your website's meta description and title tag are like those headlines, enticing users to click and explore your content. The title tag is the first thing users see, making it crucial for a strong first impression. The meta description, a brief summary, can significantly influence click-through rates by providing a glimpse into your page's content. Crafting effective title tags and meta descriptions is an art form. Balance conciseness with clarity, keyword relevance with user engagement to transform your website's search listings into clickable headlines that drive traffic. Imagine reading a book where the same phrase is awkwardly shoehorned into every other sentence. Stuffing your content with keywords alienates readers and raises red flags with search engines. Strategically and naturally incorporate relevant keywords to signal search engines while maintaining a smooth reading experience. Think of it as weaving colorful threads into a tapestry, enhancing the design without overpowering it. Naturally incorporate keywords into your body text, ensuring they flow smoothly. Maintain a balance between keyword relevance and natural language. Provide valuable and engaging content for your readers, with keyword optimization enhancing visibility. Imagine your website in a popularity contest, where votes are cast as backlinks. Each backlink signals to search engines that your site is credible and valuable. High-quality backlinks boost your website's authority and improve search rankings. Backlinks from reputable sites are like glowing recommendations, enhancing your site's credibility. Not all backlinks are equal. Those from authoritative sites hold more value. Backlinks from prominent publications drive targeted traffic and boost authority. In today's interconnected world, social media platforms have become powerful amplifiers, extending the reach of your content far beyond your website's virtual walls. While not a direct ranking factor, social signals, likes, shares, comments, and mentions on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn play a significant role in boosting your online visibility and establishing your brand's authority. Think of social media as a bustling marketplace where people gather to share ideas, connect with like-minded individuals, and discover new content. By actively engaging on social media and sharing your valuable content, you're essentially setting up shop in this bustling marketplace, attracting attention, sparking conversations, and establishing your brand as a thought leader in your industry. When your content resonates with your social media audience and generates high engagement, it sends positive signals to search engines, indicating that your website is creating content that people find valuable and share-worthy. This increased visibility can lead to more website traffic, as users discover your content through social media shares and are enticed to learn more about your brand and offerings. Moreover, social media platforms provide valuable opportunities to connect with influencers, industry experts, and potential customers. By building relationships with these key players, you can expand your reach, gain valuable backlinks, and establish your brand as a trusted voice in your niche. Building a reputable online presence that attracts backlinks, generates social buzz, and earns the trust of both users and search engines requires a multifaceted approach. It's about creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and establishing yourself as a thought leader in your industry. One effective strategy is guest blogging. By contributing high-quality content to reputable websites in your niche, you can reach a wider audience, showcase your expertise, and earn valuable backlinks to your own website. Think of it as borrowing someone else's megaphone to amplify your message to a larger and more targeted audience. Another powerful tactic is participating in online communities and forums related to your industry. By actively engaging in discussions, answering questions, and providing valuable insights, you can establish yourself as a thought leader and build relationships with potential customers and industry peers. Creating shareable content is also crucial for attracting backlinks and social shares. Infographics, videos, and interactive content are highly engaging and easily shareable, increasing the likelihood of your content going viral and attracting attention from a wider audience. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, connect with influencers on social media, and collaborate with other businesses in your niche to expand your reach and build valuable relationships that can lead to backlinks, social shares, and increased brand awareness. Building a strong off-page SEO strategy is like planting a garden. Select the best seeds, content, and nurture them with engagement and promotion. You can't simply implement off-page SEO tactics and hope for the best. Monitoring your progress is crucial for understanding what's working. Use tools to track your off-page SEO performance and gain insights. Start by tracking your backlink profile. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz provide comprehensive backlink analysis. Imagine visiting a website with broken links, slow loading times, and a confusing layout. Would you stick around? Probably not. Technical SEO ensures everything runs smoothly, providing a seamless experience for users and search engines. It optimizes your website's infrastructure, making it easy to crawl, index, and understand. A fast, mobile-friendly, secure website encourages users to stay longer and convert. Search engines prioritize websites that provide a positive user experience. In today's fast-paced digital world, patience is a rare commodity. Users expect websites to load lightning fast or they leave. Page speed impacts your website's ranking and user experience. Search engines prioritize fast, seamless browsing experiences. Mobile friendliness is crucial in today's mobile-first world. A mobile-friendly website adjusts its layout for smaller screens. This ensures users can navigate and complete actions effortlessly. In the digital realm, trust is paramount. HTTPS encrypts communication, protecting sensitive data. Think of HTTPS as a digital fortress, safeguarding your website from cyber threats. This visual cue instills trust and confidence, reassuring users. HTTPS also offers SEO benefits as Google uses it as a ranking signal. Confident users engage more, sending positive signals to search engines, enhance security, boost SEO, and build trust. A win-win situation. Imagine inviting guests to your home but forgetting to unlock the front door. They might peek through the windows, but they won't be able to fully experience what's inside. By ensuring your website is crawlable and indexable, you're essentially rolling out the red carpet for search engines. This increased visibility can lead to more organic traffic, higher rankings, and ultimately, greater online success. Navigating the SEO minefield can be quite the challenge. With so many factors influencing search rankings, it's easy to make mistakes, especially for beginners. However, by understanding the common SEO blunders that often plague websites, you can steer clear of these traps and pave the way for a smoother, more successful online journey. One of the most prevalent mistakes is neglecting keyword research. Remember those golden nuggets we talked about earlier, the keywords that perfectly align with your target audience's search intent. Skipping this crucial step is like setting sail without a compass, leaving your website adrift in a sea of irrelevant traffic. Without proper keyword research, you risk optimizing your content for terms no one is searching for, rendering your efforts futile. Another common blunder is creating thin, low-quality content that fails to engage readers or provide value. In today's content-saturated online world, users are bombarded with information from all sides. If your website offers nothing unique, informative, or engaging, they'll quickly click away, leaving your bounce rate soaring and your search rankings plummeting. Think of your website content as a gourmet meal. Would you rather serve your guests a bland, unappetizing dish or a culinary masterpiece that tantalizes their taste buds and leaves them wanting more? The same principle applies to online content. By investing in high-quality, engaging content that caters to your target audience's needs, you'll keep them coming back for seconds, boosting your website's authority and search rankings in the process. Remember that awkward conversation filled with irrelevant tangents and jargon-filled speeches? Keyword stuffing is the digital equivalent forcing keywords into your content without regard for natural language. Search engines now penalize websites that engage in such manipulative practices. Think of your content as music. Keywords are like notes that create a symphony. Keyword stuffing is like banging on piano keys randomly, creating noise. It sacrifices readability and risks search engine penalties. Focus on high-quality content that naturally incorporates relevant keywords. In today's mobile-first world, neglecting mobile optimization is like refusing to acknowledge the existence of smartphones, a surefire way to alienate a significant portion of your target audience and miss out on valuable traffic and conversions. Google, in particular, has been a vocal advocate for mobile friendliness, even going as far as implementing a mobile-agenda algorithm update that penalized websites lacking a mobile-responsive design. Think of mobile optimization as designing your website for a world on the move. Gone are the days when users were tethered to their desktops. Today, people access the internet on the go, while commuting, waiting in line, or even relaxing on the couch. If your website doesn't adapt seamlessly to their mobile devices, you risk losing them to competitors who provide a more convenient and enjoyable browsing experience. A mobile-friendly website adjusts its layout, text size, and image dimensions to provide an optimal viewing experience on smaller screens. It loads quickly, navigates effortlessly, and allows users to complete desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a contact form, without frustration. Beyond responsive design, optimizing for mobile involves considering the unique needs and behaviors of mobile users. This includes using larger font sizes for easier readability, implementing clear call to actions that are easy to tap with a finger, and streamlining forms to minimize typing on touchscreens. Imagine embarking on a road trip without a map or GPS, simply driving aimlessly and hoping for the best. Approaching SEO without analyzing your performance is like navigating the digital landscape blindfolded, missing valuable insights that could guide your strategy. Analyzing your website's performance is about understanding what's working, what's not, and using data-driven insights to make informed decisions. Start by setting up tracking tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These platforms provide a wealth of data about your website's traffic and search performance. By regularly analyzing these metrics, you can refine your SEO strategy, optimize your website, and achieve greater online success. As we reach the summit of our SEO expedition, it's time to reflect on the incredible journey we've undertaken. We've delved into the depths of search engine algorithms, unearthed the power of keywords, and mastered the art of optimizing content for both users and search engines. We've explored the vast landscape of off-page SEO, building bridges of authority through backlinks and amplifying our reach through social signals. And we've fortified our online presence with the solid foundation of technical SEO, ensuring our websites are fast, mobile-friendly, secure, and easily navigable. But just like any grand adventure, the journey of SEO doesn't end at the summit. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with search engines continuously refining their algorithms and user behaviors shifting like the tides. What works today might not necessarily work tomorrow, and the key to sustained online success lies in embracing this ever-changing nature of SEO. Think of SEO as an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and refining your strategies. It's about staying curious, experimenting with new tactics, and always seeking ways to improve your website's visibility and user experience. Remember that SEO is not a destination, but a journey, and the most successful online businesses are those that embrace this journey with enthusiasm, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital terrain. As you embark on your own SEO adventure, remember that it's not a race but a marathon. There are no shortcuts or magic tricks to instant success. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to put in the work to see tangible results. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine your website as a seed you've planted in the fertile ground of the internet. With careful nurturing, consistent watering, creating valuable content, and ample sunlight, SEO optimization, that seed will sprout, grow stronger, and eventually blossom into a thriving online presence. SEO is not just about climbing the search engine rankings. It's about connecting with your target audience, building meaningful relationships, and establishing your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. It's about driving sustainable organic traffic to your website, generating leads, increasing conversions, and ultimately, achieving your business goals. So, embrace the challenge of SEO, experiment with different strategies, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.